just joking. But I'm going to keep this short. मेरे घर वालों ने कहा never overstay your welcome. फिर मैंने उनको बताया कि I'll be doing stand-up comedy. So they said, oh, there's no need to overstay. You're never welcome. वो मेरे से काफी खफा हैं. It's not because of stand-up comedy. It's because I went to the UK like my sister to do my masters also like my sister. Except my sister did her masters in a subject called Gender, Globalization and Development, which Google translates to Jins, Alamgiriyat or Taraqi. Very refined. And I did my masters in a subject called Land Economy, which Google translates to Kheti Badi. So उनको लग रहा है कि I went abroad just for that first world की हवा and independence, and they're absolutely right. That's why I went. I'm still financially supported by my father, and I will be for a while. And before any of you view me as an elite, spoiled princess, just know I've decided to pursue a career in comedy. So technically, going from riches to rags, जो dream का inverse होता है. मेरे अबू बहुत ही simple इंसान है. He likes a few things in life. He likes cricket, parathas, newspapers, his children, and in that order. And he really does love his parathas. He says कि सारा जब भी मैं पराठा खाता हूँ ऐसा फील होता है कि I've been transported to heaven. उनके कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट भी मानते हैं कि ये नहीं, मेरे अबू को पराठे इतने पसंद है कि मेरी दादी उनको कहती थी कि बस करो बच्चे, बस करो, कितने पराठे खाओगे? And he used to say, हाँ अम्मी मैं खाता हूँ, बहुत पराठे खाता हूँ, मगर अपने बड़े भाई की तरह जायदाद तो नहीं खाता. She's right here, Manu. And I asked my father, I said, Baba, I'm 26 now and one of my closest friends is getting married. क्या आपको ऐसे expectations हैं that I should be accepting rishtas? And he said, zero expectations that you should be accepting rishtas. और अब तो तुम stand-up comedy कर रही हो तो zero expectations that you'll even be getting any rishtas. Another fair point. But all this talk about rishtas has me thinking about something known as rishta profiles. देखो, a rishta profile is just a fancy term for all your traits and characteristics to the other family. Like my best friend who got married a month ago, stellar rishta profile. She's beautiful, she's intelligent, she's career oriented, she's also family oriented. Women are often both. She's very considerate. I mean, other than the fact कि उन्होंने अपनी शादी पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़े heat wave में रखा, she's very considerate. But my friend's rishta profile had me thinking about my rishta profile. I mean, my rishta profile is very simple. I'm not too fair, easily manipulated, and quite flexible to the US. So I'm basically the Pakistan elections. Earlier this year, the elections took place. After much delay, the elections took place in Pakistan. Shukr alhamdulillah, jazakallah, martial law. Sorry, martial law. मैंने तो वोट दिया elections पे, पर unfortunately मेरा candidate नजर नहीं आया polling station. I don't know why this keeps happening to me. तो मैंने बस ballot paper पे corn on the cob draw करके G एक भुट्टा लेके डबे I'm joking. No, I did vote, but because my candidate did not show, I voted for someone who actually won a seat and is in the current government right now. So I promise you कि एक vote break नहीं था. Federal elections हुए तो provincial elections भी हुए, which is arguably more important for me. I mean, I want to see development in my province of Sindh. Sindh is known to be home to Pakistan's first capital city. Sindh is known for its literature, culture, Sufism, heritage. What did Sindh not have? मगर आजकल इंतहाई गर्मी, इंतहाई महंगाई, इंतहाई चोरी, मक्कारी, बस सिंध में परेशानियों पे परेशानियां, परेशानियों पे परेशानियां, पी सिंध में पी Sorry if anyone is affiliated. We're trying to keep it very neutral here. I mean, Sindh is so different to the rest of Pakistan. Like Punjab, KP, they've all surpassed us. I mean, if you took a road trip from Islamabad to Karachi, ना आपको GPS की ज़रूरत है, ना Apple Maps, ना Google Maps, road signs, कुछ भी नहीं. बस आप public washrooms की हालत देखें during your journey. If it is a downward trajectory, you're on your way to Sindh. Multan From clean and pristine bathroom tiles in Lahore to non-existent toilet paper in Hyderabad, you really have to improvise. I do. But a lot of people say, Sana, ऐसे मत बोलो, दुनिया उम्मीद पे कायम है, दुनिया उम्मीद पे कायम है। तो मैं कहती हूँ अगर दुनिया उम्मीद पे कायम है, कहाँ है उम्मीद? उम्मीद भाई बस आपका भाई दुख और आपकी मैं गम नजर आ रहे हैं। उम्मीद भाई। But a very prominent figure, I won't name him, once said कि अब डरने का वक्त नहीं, अब लड़ने का वक्त है। And in today's economy, I reinforce that statement with a little addition कि अब डरने का वक्त नहीं, अब भागने का वक्त है। भाई भागो, USA भागो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया भागो, कनाडा भागो, इंग्लैंड भागो। कह रहे हैं ever since Brexit, England has become a third world country, हम तो homesick ही नहीं होंगे। But कितनी दुख की बात है that all these brilliant Pakistanis are leaving our country, all this brain drain into Western countries, और ये मुल्क हमारे लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? USA, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कनाडा, इंग्लैंड, आप तो हमारे मेहमान रहे for 300 years, बस प्रेयर हॉल छोड़कर गए। वो एक फैंसी क्लब जिसके अंदर there is a sign that says women and dogs not allowed। जी हाँ, the British left behind a fancy club pre-partition where there is a sign that says women and dogs not allowed। ये ब्रिटिश लिख कर गए, पाकिस्तानी नहीं। The average Pakistani would never write women and dogs not allowed. The average Pakistani would write women, dogs, cats, animal rights activists, environmentalists, This country was founded by Quaid-e-Azam on the basis of 3 core principles: unity, faith, and ढीठपन। Discipline नहीं, ढीठपन या ढीठपन की तो कोई लिमिट ही नहीं, I swear। A month ago, it was my best friend's wedding, and I asked my old tailor to stitch clothes for me. Last minute उन्होंने bail किया, क्यों? उनके मामू गुजर गए। Sad, but that same mamu has died 9 times. I'm pretty sure that mamu is a villa। PTA tax लग गया। I don't know if anyone remembers this on phones a year and a half ago। नहीं, टैक्स नहीं देना, दूसरा फोन खरीदना है जो टैक्स से भी बढ़कर हो, टैक्स नहीं देना, 2 फोन के साथ घूमना like a secret service agent, ढीठपन। But I really do believe in these core principles: unity, we're all united here for this wonderful evening at Neutral, hosted by Rubana। Faith, भाई faith पड़ी तो हम सब चल रहे हैं, we're in a city below sea level। Faith पे मैं चल रही थी in the heat wave this summer, but no, actually that's a different story। See, a month ago for my best friend's wedding, I went shopping for clothes because my Darzi's mamu died for the 9th time, the villa mamu। So I go to the store and I'm picking out clothes and I called the shopkeeper and I said, ये मैं कैसे पहनूंगी? इसमें तो गर्मी लगेगी जो कराची की गर्मी है। She said, कराची की गर्मी जो दोज़ख की आग की गर्मी होगी, आपने तो होश में करने। उसके बाद कभी गर्मी लगी ही नहीं। I don't know if it was faith or the knowing that I'm apparently going to Dozak। Speaking of people who should be going to Dozak, मेरे रिश्तेदार, that slipped out। देखो लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, but I would narrow mine down to 3 main problems: बीमार होना, बेजार होना, and रिश्तेदार होना। That slipped out again, I'm so sorry। I love my रिश्तेदार and I'm totally lying right now। No, I would categorize my रिश्तेदार into 2 different categories। एक होते हैं the MMF रिश्तेदार, my mother's friends, जो मेरी माँ के साथ अच्छे हो, मैं उनके साथ अच्छी, जो मेरी माँ को पसंद करे, मैं उनको पसंद करती हूँ। The MMF रिश्तेदार, simple। Then comes the MMK रिश्तेदार, तो मुझे माफ कर दे रिश्तेदार, जिनको हर चीज एक यहूदी साजिश लगती है। No really, कोरोना वायरस यहूदी साजिश, फेमिनिज्म यहूदी साजिश, मून पे लैंडिंग यहूदी साजिश। बच्चे फिर नजर लग गई, ये कैसा इंसाफ हुआ? And my mother always tells me कि सारा in Islam we never break the ties of kinship, लेकिन अम्मा ये किन नहीं, जिन है, जिन। My sisters stays here। नहीं, but I come from a Sindhi speaking Baloch family, and Sindhi, I know। No, but Sindhi speaking families हमारे बहुत stereotypes होते हैं, but the irony is that I'm the exact opposite of those stereotypes। No really, कि हम बहादुर हैं। भाई thunderstorm सुन के ऐसा लगता है World War III, I'm the biggest डरपोक on this earth। कि हम दूसरों के साथ दुश्मनी करते हैं, I get attached my बकरा on बकरा ईद। कि हम over involved in politics में, भाई family politics नहीं होती। yours? Okay, we have a curly mustache. I only had that till I was 13. Okay? Like, एक stereotype तो लगना ही था कि Sindhis are lazy and I'm the laziest person on this planet, I swear. Like, you know on WhatsApp when people put their status, can't talk, WhatsApp only. I only put that because I'm napping, I swear. Like, but you know, a lot of talk was happening about relationships and love. It was very awkward and uncomfortable, but it was fun. But if I would describe my love life, I'd describe it like this beautiful Persian cat my mom got me. Just like that Persian cat, my love life is so dead. Just but I'm not averse to love. I don't mind when couples exhibit public displays of fights. Bada maza. I'm not a sadist, but I'm not Mother Teresa either. But no, I do have a criteria though. I want someone who's bold, adventurous, lives life on the edge, but vulnerable and sensitive on the inside. I basically want the exterior of James Bond, but the interior of Winnie the Pooh, you know? License to kill, but cute and cuddly. And I know we encounter such good-looking yet emotionally stable men every day in storybooks. Pakistani mard sar ka dard, am I right? There is one big problem. There's such a big obstacle now in my love life, and it has one word: Netflix. No, I swear to you, Netflix has ruined it for me with all these shows about serial killers, stalkers, swindlers, Ted Bundy, Jeffrey Dahmer. It's like I'm picking out sociopathic tendencies in people. Like I met this guy and he said, I love food, I love music, I love my family, I really love my ummi. And I said, oh, so you love your ummi, but on a scale of 1 to Freud, how much? You know? Then I was introduced to another guy. Oh, to bahut elite sa tha. He said he was a shikari. He loved to go hunting. But I kid you not, judging by his bifocals and mooch, I'm pretty sure he hunts defense ki auntiyan. The love life not happening. No, but the one thing you never discuss in comedy, especially in Pakistan, although I'm not really for it, is religion. And I have absolutely no intent on discussing my religion tonight. Although if I would discuss my religion tonight, I would describe myself as a reverse atheist. It's not like I don't believe in God, I just don't think God believes in me. Mugged at Nadra. Nadra. I mean, guys, when you go to Nadra, it's like life has already mugged you. Like, नीचे से होकर आए, biometric सही नहीं आया, thumbprint सही नहीं आया, नहीं हाथ धो के फिर से आए, नहीं आगे आए, फोटो के लिए सर ऊपर करे, नाक नीचे करे, लट ऊपर करे, बाल आगे पीछे, बाल आगे पीछे, बाल God just doesn't believe in me. Like my name Sarah in Arabic means princess. Monaco ki to nahi bani princess. I'm just a princess of napping, yapping and disappointing. That's what I am. But if I couldn't be the princess of Monaco, and I couldn't be the princess of Saudi, and I couldn't be the princess of Wales, I'm not Lady Diana, they'll never shoot me, no. And if I couldn't be the princess of Pakistan, that's fine. But if I couldn't be the princess, the queen, even the king, then I hope for one moment tonight I could be the court jester. I'm Sada.